Jindal Southwest Steel. The group is one of India's largest steel producers. The company attaches great importance to the environmental friendliness of its plants, as well as to high steel quality. SMS Group has been a partner for many years. In this order, SMS has combined several projects into an overall solution for Jindal. The two converters have been radically modernized. The gas from the converters is turned into useful energy in the new gas recovery plant. Two ladle furnaces and treatment stations have been erected and an RH vacuum circulation facility supplied. One process route leads into the new 8-strand billet caster, the first of this type in India. The other process route leads to the new slab caster. One more BOF steelworks and 2 continuous casters will be set up in the next expansion stage. The modernized converter vessels. Their tapping weight is 175 metric tons each. The most striking new feature is the lamella suspension developed by SMS. It compensates the thermal expansion and yet offers a high degree of stability. This helps to reduce the maintenance required and increases the service life of the converters. Refining is now completed. Tapping in the new ladles. Environmental technology is put to use in the exhaust hoods at the converter. The hot gases at temperatures of around 1700 degrees first enter the cooling stack. The tried and tested Baumco process is then used in the Venturi scrubber. Here, the iron oxide dust is removed from the process gas. The cleaned gas enters the 50,000 cubic meter gas holder. It serves as a source of energy and thus saves on the use of fossil fuels. The gas recovery plant reduces environmental pollution and will prove to be profitable within a very short time. The new ladle furnace is used for the secondary metallurgical processes. The process engineering system allows for precise setting of the steel composition. A new RH facility is available for the manufacture of specific steel grades for the automobile industry. The steel is degassed and thus freed of unwanted elements. A prepared ladle has reached the ladle turret of the new 8-strand billet caster. With the use of the convex technology, the plant attains an annual production of 1.7 million tons. Somewhat more, that is to say around 1.8 million tons, are produced on the new X-Cast slab caster. It's equipped with ISC intelligent slab casting components from SMS. This also includes the mold monitoring system. It guarantees a transparent process in the mold and enables early prediction of breakouts. The maximum casting width of this plant is 2,200 millimeters. The mold can be adjusted continuously during ongoing operation to widths ranging from 1,000 to 2,200 millimeters. The slab thickness can be 220, 260, or 300 millimeters. The slabs range from 4.5 up to 12 meters in length. Jindal Southwest Steel is thus able to manufacture and offer a wide spectrum of products. Technology developed by SMS for high slab quality is integrated into the strand guide with 15 segments. The secondary cooling is controlled via the Dynamic Solidification Calculation (DSC) process model, which also localizes the solidification point in the slab. Dynamic soft reduction. The systematic pressure applied by the segment rolls serves to enhance the internal quality. The entire plant has been implemented with SMS's X-Pact electrical and automation system. In this manner, it is ensured that all automation processes and the mechanical equipment operate together in perfect harmony. The billets are turned so that they can cool uniformly. Later, they are removed gently without damaging the surfaces. The second process route. The slab is cut, marked, and deburred. The inspected slabs finally reach the slab yard. The result, slabs with excellent surface qualities and internal microstructure. SMS has attained high run-up curves for all plants. From the modernized steelworks and the 8-strand billet caster to the single-strand slab caster. The second expansion stage at Jindal Southwest Steel is now being implemented. With 2 converters and 2 X-cast slab casters of identical design. For higher production capacity and consistent quality. From a partner who is with you every step of the way, SMS.